It is really, for the second weekend at least, um, a, been a bloody weekend in Cape Town. And I think one must say the question is even not is the government doing something? The question, I think, right now is whether the government is actually doing something to make communities safer, because the evidence, I think, on the ground, and it's not just the mass shootings, it is actually the daily occurrence of these killings, um, saying that they're not doing enough at the moment. This is a deep crisis. This is horrific stats, and a situation that needs, more than just words, more than promises. It needs real action in partnership with a civil society, with communities, and whatever state of organs of the state is there to address this situation.